Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. Today we're going to be doing an update on the Project Cutlass. She's finally got some color. I wanted to wait till she's all back together, but stole it from the body shop so that way I could do a video for you guys, show you what it looks like. Y'all check it out. Alright, so before I jump into this video, I'm going to go ahead and do a video real quick of what she started out like. So if you're just checking into the channel, it's my 86 Cutlass build. Kind of dear to my heart. Whenever my mom passed away back in 1994, me and my dad built the 87 Cutlass. So super pumped to get this one when I found it. It was original owner car. The guy swapped out the 307, put a 455 in it, and he loves the car. He actually still stops by and checks on it, see how it's doing. So about 2 years ago now, I started taking it apart. That's where all these videos started. If you guys are following me for the Cutlass build, y'all know. Sorry it's been so long, but hey, good things are worth waiting for. But here's a video real quick of what the Cutlass started out looking like. You guys enjoy.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that little recap video. And without further ado, here's a clip real quick of when I first saw the car over at the shop. It was still in the paint booth. Like I said, I went over there, and it's a long weekend this weekend because of New Year's. So I said, hey man, can I please get the car from you? Take it to my shop and I'll bring it back to you on Monday. He said, no problem, man. It's just gonna be sitting here anyways. So I wanted to get a video out there for you guys because I know you've been really wanting to check out this car. And man, it looks better than I could ever imagine. So you guys, I'm glad you hung in there. You'll be stoked. Check this out. Dude. So stoked. Alright guys, so I'm gonna walk around the car real quick. It's super dusty. Let me turn these fans off because I'm sure you're picking up some wind noise. And I hate to put in the comments and say, hey man, your camera's getting all funny, whatever. I have one video that I did like probably 3 years ago on my van, and I accidentally left the key on, so it was dinging. People are like, turn the key off. It's like, yeah, I know, dude. But check this out. So the color I picked, I sent it to a couple of you guys. It's a really dark brown. It's like a Toyota color, actually, from the Toyota Tundras. So the reason I like this color so much, it's really hard to see, but it's almost black in certain areas. Like if you look at it there, you can actually see it's almost like black. When the light hits it, it's got a ton of pearl in it. So let me grab a light so I can show you guys what it'll look like in the sun, guys. So when she's out in the sun, you see it's good because it hasn't even been wet sanded or buffed yet, and you can see it's gonna have a ton of depth to it. So things I still have to do. I still gotta get my mirrors on. They already got them painted, sitting there. I gotta get all my interior back together. There's no glass in the car. Gotta get my rear windows in, front windows in, rear glass trim. I'm gonna try to see what I can do with this panel while I got the window out. So I might see if they can make me something. So I'll see what I can do with that. But yeah, the car's looking super good. So I gotta put the rear bumper, finish putting that back together. So here's the stuff I did to it. The reason it took a long time too is all the chrome moldings that are all along the bottom. I got rid of all the chrome moldings. All the bumpers in the front, they're all chrome. They deleted all the chrome on that, painted those body color. The grills, headlight bezels, I'll color match those. I went with a steel 2-inch cowl hood. So when this hood came in, I got it from Rock Auto, which they had probably one of the best prices on it. And when it came in, it was actually pushed in right here in the middle, smashed. So I emailed them. Dude, they're super awesome. They sent me a return shipping label. As soon as the truck company came and picked it up, dude, they immediately sent me out another one. This one came out super nice. There's a couple little small dings in it, but Body Shop was able to take care of that for me. Deleted the emblem right here, which some of you guys may love or hate me for it. And then they followed this body line up the hood, so that way it looks nice and clean whenever you're looking at it. They're gonna black out all the trim around the windshield, all the trim around the windows over here. Paint the door handles color match. So yeah, it's gonna be a looker. So if you guys are new checking in, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, because we will be doing a lot more videos on this. Like I said, it does have the 455. Let's pop the hood real quick. So they painted the other side of the hood. We're gonna block out the back side of the engine bay, and then I gotta do some work on the engine bay, make it look nice, but should look pretty nice. I went with this hood too, so I can run a larger air cleaner. This one's the lowest profile the guy could run, because even with this low profile, it still hit the factory hood. So it'd be nice to get a different hood that I run a little bigger air cleaner. He said I wanted to show you guys more of the production whenever I had it over here doing the fuel pump, which you guys saw that video, hopefully. But it was worth it. So I think the car looks great. Kind of gives it that Grand National look. Makes it interior. A couple years ago, right before I started tearing it down, I did put carpet in it. So it's filthy right now, but I think the carpet choice I chose was great. Goes with the color of the paint real well. Like I said, it's super dusty from being in the body shop, but gives you an idea of the contrast. It goes good with the steering wheel, the darker dash. So once we get this thing cleaned up, get all the glass in it, we'll get all the windows tinted. Should look real nice. You know, my door's shut real nice, so yeah, this is it. 86 Cutlass build. Finally got color on it. Super stoked, man. Let me know what you guys think down below. Think you guys think it was worth the wait? Said 2 years, just about 2 years. Right now, it was November of 2018 when I started tearing it down. So now it's 2021. I think I gave it to them probably February of 2019. So, but yeah, it's awesome. I'm up here doing some work on the F-250, and I had to get a video in for you guys for the new year. So stay tuned, man. The Cutlass will be back on the channel. Projected maybe by end of this month, beginning of February, probably they'll have it done. Looking at wheel options. Let me know what you guys think I should go with wheels. And then we got to get it tuned up and running good. And then, yeah, she'll be on the channel all the time. So definitely a big improvement from what it looked like. And couldn't be more happy with it. So yeah, we're going to get back on the F-250 build. Kind of a bummer. Let me insert some videos right here, but somebody shot out my back window over Christmas sometime. Truck was sitting up here at the dealer, and let me show you guys what they did. So check this out. Somebody hit it right there, and the bullet actually went through the cab of the truck and then hit my quarter right there, molding. We actually found it inside the truck in that molding. So yep, follow me on Instagram. I couldn't see what happened to it because I had it up in the air underneath the jack stands. And hopefully you guys checked out the caliper video. I just released that this week as well. So got the calipers. We've been up here working on this, trying to get this thing back on the road. I got the new wheel setup coming pretty soon. Super excited about that announcement. And then gotta put this thing back together. So got the wheel pan done on it tonight, and then want to do a video on the car for you guys for the new year. So man, she looks good. So that's it, man. That's it for this video. Appreciate all the support. Like I said, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Wish the vet was mine, but it's not. It's one of my customers. And it's a manual, but not my car. I like them old. Like I said, this is me. I'm up here working. It's late on probably Sunday night, so trying to get done what I can, you know, trying to do stuff when I can, get these builds done for y'all. Like I said, I'm in my scrub clothes trying to get stuff done on the truck. Just got the oil pan done. Got the motor bolted back in, and now I'm just here working. I'm going to start putting the bank system back together, full exhaust on it, so that way we can get that going. So that'll be another video. Appreciate all the support. See you guys on the next ride.